How much should you tip your pool guy when they come twice a week? Check the chemical balance, and you're paying $160 a month for the service. Alright, so here's the deal. Tipping a pool guy isn't like tipping your waiter where it's expected every time. Since you're already paying a solid monthly fee, it's cool to show appreciation with a holiday bonus or a little extra cash once a year, especially if the same person is handling your pool regularly. If they're doing a bit more than just the basics, like catching small issues, bringing you updates, or going out of their way to keep things perfect, that's a good reason to give something extra. You don't have to stress about tipping every single visit because that can add up fast, and honestly, most pros expect their regular pay to cover the routine work. But if you feel like they're really going above and beyond, slipping them an envelope with some cash around Christmas or the end of the year is a nice way to say thanks. Just think about how you tip other service folks, like your gardener or delivery person, and keep it consistent with what feels right for your budget. If you live somewhere fancy or have a big setup, maybe you tip more often, but for most people, an annual tip plus your monthly payments is plenty. One of the biggest mistakes people make when tipping their pool guy is either not tipping at all and expecting superstar service, or tipping every single visit, which can get pricey and feel awkward. Another issue is not recognizing when the worker actually does extra work, like fixing minor problems or making sure the water chemistry is just right. Ignoring that effort means missing a chance to build a good relationship. Finally, some folks get confused about how much to tip because they mix up tipping with the monthly payment. They pay the fee, but forget that a yearly tip is more about appreciation, not payment. To fix these, just remember that tipping is optional and about gratitude, not obligation. Watch for those little extras your pool guy does. And set aside a holiday bonus that feels fair based on their service quality and your budget. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making it super easy to get quality help without the stress. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to find steady work from people who need their skills, so everyone wins.